Are you ready to finally meet the love of your life, Enna?
Do you think I'll find the love of my life today?
Yeah, I think so. I think you'll be fine.
Okay. I
Hey,
hope so.
no, this is something you've been looking forward to your whole life, isn't it?
Okay, Luca, you don't have to go that far.
Listen, I'm sorry, okay? But hey, look, you're my One-chan, and I wanna help you out. I wanna help you out.
Thanks. You're the best little
I
brother
got you.
a sister could ask for. Don't be shy. Go. Oh my god.
Okay, please state your name and why are you here today?
Hello.
Hello.
Mushroom. I'm a fun guy.
Oh damn.
Fun guys.
Yeah. Get it? Fun guy? Because I'm a mushroom?
Oh.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Oh my
Got
god,
it.
that was actually so funny. I cannot believe it.
Why aren't you laughing?
Thank
then?
you, Minasan.
No, I did. Oh.
Oh my gosh, he speaks Japanese.
Oh, that's
hot.
That's really hot. Okay.
Yes. Watashi wa fun guy desu.
Okay.
Yoroshiku onegaishimasu.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Huh?
What did you think?
Okay. Hope she drops the dad jokes, but yeah, pretty good so far, I guess.
Okay. Pretty good so far. Is that something you're looking for?
I guess.
What? You're not
Looks
looking
a
for
little
a
funny.
fun guy?
Whoa! Not you can't. We gotta give. Give some
Sorry.
space. Yeah,
Yeah,
next
okay,
person.
yeah,
please.
okay.
Thank you.
Well, these.
What's up, hot dog?
Oh.
I'm a hot dog,
What the
and I
Why are they humping that
sensation that no
microphone?
one else can.
What kind of sensation?
Any sensation that you wish, Miss Enna Alouette.
Why are they
Day and
humping?
night.
Alright.
Oh, shit. Okay, well, why are you humping this microphone?
I'm not. I'm bowing. Wait, am I not
Oh,
bowing?
okay.
Wait, what am I doing? Oh, wait, oh! I mean,
You just keep going.
I can't stop. I can't stop.
Well,
At least I have self-control, you know? Like,
That's true. She does have more self-control.
Well,
I just woke up today. Yeah, but I got you. I'm the best guy they can
Okay.
ever choose.
we'll see about that.
Yes.
Okay.
We'll see about that.
Okay.
Right, thank you so much. You see, you know, they even woke up just for you. What
I don't know if
the?
she's
Please, come out.
Should I really do that?
yeah, I think it's funny.
Oh, damn. What's that?
Hello, my name is Frogbert, and
Robert?
laughing at me.
No.
What was the question?
Oh, please. You know, like, how are you today and what do you hope to accomplish? I don't
That people stop destroying my home, the rainforest,
We have an
And,
advocate. Okay.
and
That's not
hopefully I hope to find a lovely maiden on the way. Greetings, Canada.
Okay.
Hey,
Ca-
who
ca-
let this rainforest cafe mascot out here? Get the hell
Yeah,
out!
I only have a cafe now because fuckers like you keep destroying my home.
Okay, you
know?
guys keep
You said
arguing,
hey to
okay?
Canada, but
Yeah, you wanna come
Alright.
out here? Come here. Come here, fun guy. I'll show you a fun time. Yeah. Come here. Come here.
Alright, I like aggressive girls.
Have I been chosen?
Not yet, but maybe later. Perhaps.
I'll show you my dance now.
All right, sorry guys,
I thought
my
you were gonna say
brain
something else.
exploded.
I will be waiting on my phone, waiting for you to come back home. I will be waiting on for you. I will be waiting, yeah. Da 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 da.